Hey everyone, what's up? Good morning. How everybody doing? This is the house tour. It's bit more. A little bit still in the packing. It's bit more. So this is the house tour. I should have been did this when we first came here, but you know how that is. So yeah, let's get on to this house tour. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Life with the Sapps. And yeah, okay, let's get ready. All right. Oh my God. Y'all hear Carl? That's Carl, y'all. Okay, this is when you walk in the house. Y'all, little things in here might be messy because we all packing and stuff. So when you turn to your left, come through the front door. You turn to your left. This is the first master bedroom. The first master bedroom. This was where my brother was sleeping. You come out here. There you go. This is the shower. That's the bathroom. And you come out here. Hey, Lyric. Good morning. Okay. This is the game room. That's the table. Hockey table. Yeah. Come in. This is the kitchen. Yeah, everything we needed. Can opener,
Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, low lights, out of sight, long way, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead.
Good morning.
Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, low lights, out of sight, long way, so in,
the living room.
so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, low lights, out of sight, long way, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top,
Have a shirt. Yeah.
low lights, out of sight, long way, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, don't
Okay. Come out of the pool area. Huh? Yeah, I think so. Here we go upstairs. Now we made it up the stairs.
Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, low lights, out of sight, long way, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead.
He go in this room. I think it's the the third master. Look at here. Through the bathroom. It's really nice. Really nice. You walk out of this room. Come over. Okay, you have the loft. The loft, I think that's what it's called. But yeah, this is where we was staying right here. Okay. All right, now go to my room. This was my room right here. Very beautiful. I know. Thank you. You know, you don't have to tell me, you know. Yes, beautiful. Love my room. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. This is nice. Like, yeah, okay. Go across here. This was my bathroom. Across from my room. This was my bathroom. Okay. Okay, you walk out of here. Turn in here. Got a movie room. Movie room lit though, I ain't gonna lie. It's lit. Just sit over here, relax, you know, on a flat screen. Just sit back and just and just chill. Okay. All right. That's it for the house tour. I'm happy that y'all, you know, enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Life with the Sapps. And yeah, we'll see y'all soon. Peace.